guys? TSS60 here. Don't know if you can hear me that well, but as you can see, rocking my official hat, and got my buddy Max on the bed. So anyway guys, as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, today I'm doing an unboxing, and if you pay... I don't know if you guys can hear that, but Yogi in the background is being really annoying. But anyway guys, if you pay well attention to my past videos, you realize that every video I film it holding my phone in my hand. Because if you guys didn't know, I don't use a camera, I use a phone. Because let's face it, I'm poor. So anyway, I use my phone to record my videos when I'm usually holding it like this, or like that. So now, as you can see, it's stationary. Now it may be kind of tilted, but this was the best I can do. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm using to record this. What guys, as you can tell, I cannot speak today. But anyway, as you guys can tell, my official hat, as you can tell, that's how you know I'm official. But anyway guys, this is what I'm using, and you're probably wondering, what is this thing? This is what I call Gerbil of America. My aunt gave it to me 4 years ago, and I don't know why I still have it, but I guess it's just like a comfort thing. So I put it there to make it look nicer. This is literally just like a paper towel tube, if you guys have like bouncy paper towels. Paper towel tube, plus part of my phone case. Now guys, this right here is my phone case. Now right now I'm not using it to show you guys this. This is the other part. As you can see, this, okay, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna have to block it for you guys for a second. This is how it's supposed to go to carry your phone, but I never really used that part. So basically I decided to reuse it and make it my own little tripod. I'm gonna take that out now. And if you pay well attention to the thumbnail, don't know if you guys can hear it again, but Yogi's just barking a lot. And if you guys couldn't tell by the thumbnail, this is not what I'm using now, because my amazing sister, to my disbelief, because I basically engineered this last night. It took me about an hour, not to build it, but to find the supplies to build it. Because, you know, when you live like me, you gotta be creative, you gotta be official. I'm kidding, I'm gonna stop with the memes. So, anyway guys, this, as you can see in the thumbnail, this is what she got me. This is called the Universal Photography Kit with Remote Shutter Release. Compatible with most smartphones. So if you guys want to go get this, it is at Walmart. I got mine in Lake Wales Walmart, so if you guys live in Florida or near Lake Wales, you guys can go get that very easily. It's just in the electronics section. So I guess without further ado, let me show you guys what's in this first. So in this, it'll give you all these things. Now I can't show you it and read it, so I'm just gonna do this. Alright. Features are adjustable tripod that will fit most smartphones. So if you guys get this, there is a very well chance that you'll be able to use it to your best compatibility. Also, they can take photos, videos, landscape, and portrait mode, so you know you can hold your phone anyway, like this, or like this. So, it also comes with a secure phone clip so it won't fall out, and it comes with its own flash. So if you guys don't have well lighting, it'll be there. But I'm gonna stop reading this because it's boring. So without further ado guys, I'm gonna get to this unboxing. So I'll see you in a sec. So guys, the camera might not be this good in this situation because I only had limited things that I'd be able to do with my other tripod. So I'm filming this with my old tripod to film me unboxing my new one. So without further ado, let's open this. So what you want to do is, see this little tab? Flip that open easily. Take that part out. Oh, it's upside down. Well, I'm gonna put that there. Ah, here we go. Professional. Now this may look a little dark, but sorry guys, it's the best I can do. Now, when I was talking about the I keep wanting to say Tide Pods. Guys, don't eat Tide Pods, okay? It'll give you cancer. So, anyway, this is the tripod itself. If you didn't know what a tripod is, it's just I guess it's like a mount with like 3 little legs, and it stands right there. And this is a little bag. I guess you can put all your stuff in. I don't care about that too much. As you can see, Case Logic. That is the brand of who made this, alongside with Walmart. So put that off to the side. This part right here is where you would put your phone. So you would adjust that onto this thing. I'm not gonna do that yet because I'm gonna show you the other parts first. So my face won't be in a lot of these shots, so I'm pretty sure you guys are fine with that. So anyway, here's what comes next. Here's a mini USB cable or a charger, easier for you. So I'm not really gonna focus on that. I don't really know what this is, but I'm guessing you can screw it on here. So put that off to the side. This, I actually have no idea what it is, but I'm gonna figure out in time, so put it off to the side too. This thing is a camera lens. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use that, but put that off to the side for now. So guys, when I was talking about the flash, I'm not talking about the Running Man flash. I'm talking about this, a camera flash, which you can attach to your not your Tide Pod, your tripod. This is what you can attach to your tripod, and put that off to the side too. Well, not yet. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, you have to charge this, and it takes, and it takes any regular Android charger, and it's also like a headphone jack or an aux jack, if you guys know what that is. So now this little thing here, this little thing here, if you guys already have, I'm gonna take my eye off because it's pretty hot. Don't mind my receding hairline. Alright, so this little thing is probably the most important part of the set. This is basically a 360 cam. And you're probably wondering, what? And by the way, guys, sorry I didn't tell you earlier. Okay, I'm gonna fix this real quick. By the way, guys, sorry I didn't tell you earlier, but if you want to go buy this, it's $21 with tax, so be prepared. Like I said, it's in Walmart if you want to go buy it. You can also, you can also get this on the Walmart website if you also want to do that. Now, as you can see, it has both settings for, see if it can focus. It won't focus. Anyway, it has both settings for, that says iOS and Android on the bottom. And as you can see, 360 camera. And you guys are probably like, how does this thing 360? Now, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it does it well because it wouldn't be like that on the box if it wasn't important. So I'm gonna go set this up and I'm gonna restart the recording when I've already done that. So see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so now I've set up this part. As you can tell, it is very adjustable, so you can record from many angles, as you can see right there. It's like Squidward. Now this has two settings. You could either put it through this hole, which I like to do, or you can put it through that hole. Be careful, no matter what you do if you get this. Do not screw it in too deep, or you will break this part. I almost did that, but it's a good thing I stopped because I heard a little snapping. I'm like, wait a minute, that's not good. So anyway guys, this part right here is a camera, and I figured that out. Now I'm going to attach this to my phone now to see if it improves the lighting or, I don't know, something. But I'm going to put the recording mic on when I do. Now guys, this recording may look a little weird because, as you can tell, here's the difference. This is before, and this is after the camera. Now what it does is it makes your quality better. So if you guys record with your phone because you can't afford a camera yet, it makes your quality better, and well, it leaves a circle around it, or at least that's what it's doing for now. I'm gonna go into fixing that later, but for the rest of this video, you may see the circle because honestly, if it's gonna make my quality better, it's worth it. So anyway, like I said, set this up. Yeah, sickness is not fun. So I set this up, and I'm gonna see how I can incorporate this, and there's a couple other things. Now this part, I tried to put it on so it wouldn't snap, but it wouldn't go fully down, so I'm gonna go into that later on and see if it does anything. Yeah, that's basically the whole set. That was the unboxing. See you next vid. I'm kidding. So anyway guys, that's that camera. If I put this one over that one, it looks kind of cool, right? That's kind of, I don't know if it's that cool, but this camera is a spare that it comes with that is bigger. It will make your distance away from what you're looking at even smaller. So if your phone camera is already too zoomed in, attach this and it'll help you out real good. And I'm gonna see if I can use this flash. I don't know if it's gonna turn on right now. I'm gonna check it. Now guys, this is me in a bit. I might have made a mistake, because I thought the ring that was from the camera was only there because there was too much thickness between the lens and my screen. And you're probably asking yourself, what? This is why. This is my screen protector, which basically makes my phone black over time. Yeah, you can see the reflection. That's cool. Anyway, I think I might have made a mistake, because this is it with it on, with it off. Because I took this off, and it's pretty much lost all its stickiness. So I'm gonna need a new screen protector. And the thing is, this was a good one too. It's not like those cheap plastic ones. It's actually like, I don't know what that's called, safety glass. Yeah. But anyway, back to the recording. Now, if you guys have been paying close attention to the recording here, still adjusting this lens to see if it'll look any better. If you guys like this lens, which basically is a smaller version of this lens, leave a like or leave a comment. Now, I'm going to adjust this. As you can tell, everything looks just a little brighter. The reason is the flash finally works. So, alright guys, here's the flash. Really bright, by the way. So I'm gonna turn this off. Here's the flash. Here's the on and off button. And what I didn't know is it has 3 settings. So I'm gonna turn it on, flash over there so you guys don't get annoyed. So flash is like this. So after that is, and this is the lowest setting. So if you're getting annoyed by this, be prepared. So this is the lowest. Oh my. Oh, that was the wrong button. My phone keeps running out of battery, but I'm gonna have to risk it for the biscuit. So that's the lowest setting, that's a little higher, and that's the highest. And it just fell. Sorry to make it longer, but I just want to tell you guys, if you're still thinking about it, I would very much recommend this product. It is really good, and I will be using this in future videos. So if you guys are liking the better quality videos, obviously tell me down in the comments, or you can tell me by leaving a like. And if you did like this video and you are new, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, turn on that notification bell. But anyway, enough sellout. This is TSSXD, and I'll see you in the next video.